All right, I'm performing the high pressure nitrogen decay test. As you can see, I have it at 149 psi. This is where the pressure would drop. See where it says 0.0? That's because it hasn't dropped even 1/10. It measures in tenths of a psi in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And so our doubt was that crooked connector down there that's messed up, both on installation because of machining of the cheap aftermarket condenser and the bent pipe. So it is holding. It is not even dropping 1/10 of a psi. But you know what? That doesn't mean it's going to leak after the pipe gets pulsating refrigerant going through it. There's a harmonics that builds up from the pulsations, like in the diesel fuel injector line. There's actually a harmonics that builds up, a resonance, and you have vibration that could cause a leak. Then you have the heat of the hot refrigerant passing through there that will expand the metal. It could start leaking after the metal expands. That's why you don't do stuff like this. This is somebody who asked to do something in a way that is definitely not approved of. It is no industry standard. You would never want to have your vehicle repaired like this. But there's a very, very, very different mindset and experience level between automotive mechanic shops who are really do repairs and the mindset of body shops that usually, not always, there's some good body shops, but usually just want it to look good on the outside. Is it good enough to go? Did they collect money? Then that's all what's necessary, the bare minimum. This can lead to a very catastrophic failure because that's down on the liquid line. You would lose a large amount of refrigerant oil as you lose refrigerant as it slowly leaks. That would reduce the amount of refrigerant oil back to a compressor and can cause a compressor burnout. And we have a 2018, 2019 Chevy Impala here with a burnout. You'd be replacing the condenser again, flushing the system, replacing the pipes with mufflers, plus the compressor, replace the expansion valve, flush out all the lines. So you're talking about a $2,000 plus repair just because something like this starts leaking later on. All right, so I'm gonna move to the next procedure and throw on the vacuum pump. See you on the next video.